Right then, today's job, we are putting in the electric hookup point, one of these, and I'm going to put it here where I've got a bit of a blemish in the van. Stick it there, nobody will know. Cheaper than a bodywork guy, and it's not actually that bad, so that is what we're going to do. Tools you will need for this, well, for the initial stage anyway. We've got a hole saw to get our initial cut. Got some tape. We're going to tape the whole area, draw around this side, and then to finish off the cut, a fine tooth blade on a jigsaw. I'll stick you on a time lapse, see you the other side. So we test fitted it, dry fitted it. I've also drilled some pilot holes in these four corners. Next step is take it out, take the masking tape off, treat the bare metal. I think I'm just going to use a bit of hammerite this time round, some white hammerite. Then we can seal it in, get some screws in there, in some wooden battens behind. So sandwich it in just like you would with a window or anything like that. So we've treated the edges with some hammerite smooth. It's been on for a little while now. It's looking like rain, to be honest, so we're going to get this in. Now, these electrical cut points do come with a foam gasket. I'm going to leave that in, but I am going to run around some Sikaflex 522 all the way around, just on top of the gasket really, because the top part is hinged. So I don't really want to get too much Sikaflex around here in case it interferes with the hinge. It is also magnetic, so if you have had this when you've been drilling or jigsawing out your hole, you will find you'll have swarf attached in places. Now we don't want to trap that in behind, so make sure you give it a really good clean. I've actually just brushed this off with a toothbrush, not my toothbrush, just a toothbrush from a garage, just to make sure we don't trap any of that in, because if you trap that in and the moisture does get in, you've got rust. So another time lapse, I think. Well, that's it. The electrical cut box is in, sealed, all done. I am actually taking this opportunity while I've got the Sikaflex out and the hammerite. I've got a couple of bits on the van where it has obviously scraped some of these bits here. So it's like a flexible seal, but obviously it's ripped in these two places. So this one has actually got a bit of a hole, so I am going to whack a bit of Sikaflex in that in. I'm probably going to do the same on that actually, and then hammerite it tomorrow. It's not a perfect fix, but it should take your eye off it. There she is, all done.